Entonces, hola, language explorers. Vamos a ver los adjectives de opinions, de tus piensas. Uno. So, nice, agradable, fun, divertido, muy divertido, very fun. Let's have a look. There we are, muy bien, divertido, perfecto. Encantador, lovely, encantador, lovely, very nice. Delicioso, delicious. Perfect. Here we are, delicioso, perfect. Here we are. And exciting, emocionante, exciting. I am very excited. Yes, very good. Emocionante. And thrilling, más o menos mismo de emocionante. Excited and thrilling. Wow. Like vamos. Let's have a look. Let's try and get a nice one. Vamos. Like that almost. Vamos. Interesante. Interesting. Interesante. El libro es muy interesante. The book is very interesting. Bastiat's la ley. Muy interesante. And respectable. Receptable. And especial. Special. Very similar. Special. Especial. And graceful. Like elegante. Graceful. Graceful. Elegante. Very nice. And pleasant. Agradable. Again. But you see, nice is like nice. Here you are. Thank you. And pleasant is a nice, a gentle person to be around. Very pleasant. And useful. Yes, very useful. This book, el libro, is more útil. Tengo muchos libros. I have a lot of books. Very useful. Todos mis libros están útil en por lo menos una manera. All my books are useful in at least one way. Importante. Important. Todos mis libros están importantes. All my books are important. Hay una lesson en cada libro importante. Lesson, clase importante en cada libro. There's an important lesson in each book. Yeah. Relaxing, relajado. Relajado. Yes, relaxing. Yes, it is a relaxing song. Cantar. Song. And harmless. Very good. Harmless. Inofensivo. Harmless. Harmful. Harm. And harmless. Sin peligro. Yeah. Harmless. Inofenso. Yes. Very good. Harmless. Right. Without danger. No danger. Nada peligro. Nadie es peligroso. And frightening. Aterrador. Let's have a look. So, aterrador. Yeah, perfect. There we are. Aterrador. Aterrador. Frightening. And shocking, like impactante. Oh, what a surprise. Like, whoa. Like that. Whoa. Shocking. Whoa. Whoa. Impactante. Whoa. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, nice, fun, lovely, delicious, exciting, thrilling, interesting, respectable, special, graceful, pleasant, useful, important, relaxing, harmless, frightening, shocking. Yeah. ¿Qué guay? Entonces, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram. Y también puedes encontrarme en Udemy para más clases para ti. Yeah. Very good. How cool is that? Vamos a continuar explorando.